Alrighty, what is up? We about to install this carbon fiber lip on my WRX. I'm at McKeel's place.
Introduction, man.
Yeah, I know. This is Subi. Yo, we should make a video of like all your mods that you did to your car.
Yeah.
I'm down for doing that. This thing is clean, bro. I actually might take this and let him drive this for school, maybe to his school and shit. I don't know, maybe, because I mean I don't have to find a way to like for my parents not to be like, where's your car at, because you know they're like hella strict about people driving that shit. So like, yeah, this shit is clean. We might do a video on his car for like the mods he's done to his. Look at this carbon fiber lip. See, his carbon fiber lip wraps around like to the back. Mine does not do that. And this fucking airplane, man. But yeah, then we got this shit jacked up. Still mad about this. Someone gave me a love tap while I was parked. Fucking sucks. But here's the before. And we're gonna do after. This. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay. Alright. This shit. Oh, it's gonna be a pain. Ugh. Okay. Here we go. Ah. I think we're good.
I thought you just broke it.
No.
The way you looked up.
It's like, ah.
Go to the other side, so it's easier than this. I can feel the other side drooping.
That feeling good?
Once you screw it in, it'll tighten up. Alright.
So, you're going on this side? Oh, I should do this side.
Yeah.
I'll switch it around. I'm such a bimbo.
I was just, I think you're like, hold the other side. I was like, what? I was like, okay. I was like, why are you not bringing the bed? Oh my god. Michael was here and be like, you're such a bimbo. What are you doing?
That shit is tiring. I was barely holding it for like so long. Should I just drag it like?
Yeah.
See, I'm just get over here. Perfect. Okay. Oh my god. I'm scared. That, that's good. Right there. I got space. Here's the lip after. Clean. Oh shit. Sits well.